Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to share with you this neck warmer cowl, which you want. You will say that. I think it's so good with brush here. Hope you will like. You will see my photos beginning of the video. Hope you will like. For that neck warmer, only you need one square piece. I use this half double crochet stitch. It's so simple and I think it will be so beautiful in blankets. Hope you will try that. So simple, only crochet square, then join two sides, after fold it double and use it. It's so simple. If I give all the details in the video, but if you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. If you're ready, we can start to crochet our beautiful neck warmer. Let's start to crochet. I will use for this neck warmer Gold Classic, and it's 100 grams and 100% of acrylic, and it's not has a meter, but I think its size is yarn category is 3. It's nearly 100 grams is 210 meters. I will use with that yarn 4mm hook. For this neck warmer, for this stitch we need multiples of 2. I use 60 stitches for that 50 centimeters. If you need more, you can make your chains more, but be careful multiples of 2. If you will use more thicker yarn than me and more big hook, or for example 5 or 6, you need less chains. You will make your chains with your yarn and make your chains less, but be careful about that multiples of 2. First of all, make a slip knot, then make my chains. Not make so loosey or so tight. For that I make here, for this neck warmer I made again said 60 chains, but I want to show you a little piece with that. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. I think it's enough for me. 14, and add one more, okay, multiples of 2 plus 1, then turn my skip very first stitch, insert into the second one and make a single crochet. Next one, make a single. Next, make a single. First row, single crochet. Make a single crochet in every each stitch. 2 4 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 and 14. Chain 1 and not count. Turn your work. Yarn over and insert your hook first stitch. Grab your yarn. You have 3 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over and insert into the same stitch. Grab my yarn. Yarn over, insert into the next stitch. Grab my yarn. I have 5 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch. Grab my yarn. Yarn over, insert into the next. Grab my yarn. I have 5 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over again, insert into the same. Yarn over, insert into the next one. You have 5 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over, you will start your finish the stitch here. Take a loop. Grab your yarn. Next, take a loop. I have 5 loops. Pull through all together. Yarn over, insert into the same. Next stitch, I have 5. Yarn over, insert into the same. Yarn over and insert into the next. 5 loops. Pull through all together. yarn over, insert here, yarn over, insert into the next, pull through all together, yarn over again, start from the finishing loop here, yarn over, insert into the next, 5 loops, pull through all always together. Repeat the same, 1, yarn over, 2, pull through, yarn over, 1, yarn over, 2, pull through. When you come to the last stitch, yarn over, insert into the last one and finish with half double crochet as same as the start point. Chain 1 and not count and do the same thing again. Yarn over and insert your hook very first stitch and start with half double crochet. Then yarn over and insert here, 1, 2, 5 loops, pull through all together, 1, 2, 1, 2, yarn over, start from the last stitch and next stitch, when you come to the end, insert here, insert here. Here is your last stitch. Don't forget, if you forget that, your crocheted piece getting like that. You always decrease your stitch. Yarn over and don't forget, insert your hook here. Finish with half double crochet. Start with half double, finish with half double. Chain 1 and not count. Yarn over and insert into the same stitch. Make half double, then yarn over, insert same stitch, grab my yarn, yarn over, insert next stitch, grab my yarn, 5 loops all together. Always start here, then yarn over and here. You will have 5 loops on your hook, pull through all together. Don't forget your last stitch. You will make your last half double here. Okay. Always you will repeat that stitch. I will repeat that until I will have 50 centimeters. Then we join our neck warmer together. I will complete my after turn to you. We crochet 50 centimeter to 50 centimeter. Okay, we have a square now. Now we start with, single crochet, and I want to start. I want to finish with single crochet. So chain 1 and turn my work. Not count and insert into the same stitch and make a single, next, make a single crochet, make next, single crochet. You will keep repeating, make a single crochet in every each stitch. I complete and turn to you. Okay. We finish with single crochet like that. Then we, here my finishing point, you can see that now. Here. We will put right side and the left side are single crochet rows. We put the square like that. Then we take these two corners and put it like that. Okay. Now we will join these stitches together. And I think this stitch 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 21 or 22 nearly. It can be different. This is for 50 centimeter of squares stitch. Now I will cut this yarn here. Chain 1 and cut my yarn. and join these two sides together. First of all, make a slip knot, then hold it like that, insert here and this corner, I will join with slip stitch. Okay, hold these sides together, insert into the next and join with a slip stitch. Next, you will be careful that not make so tight. You can sew that, or you can join them like me with slip stitch. I come to end, chain one and cut my yarn. And hide this tail. We join it. Now we fold it double like that. Also, I will hide these tails. Look at that. Yes, that's it. I will put on my neck. You can see that. Hope you will like. It's so simple and so different, and this stitch I think fit to it so much. Hope you will like. It's so warm because it's double folded. You can see that. Only one square unit. Also, you will use different stitch which you want. Okay, I hope you like this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave me comments, and also don't forget subscribe to my channel. You can reach me on Instagram, on Facebook, on Pinterest, and on Etsy as the same name, Crochet with Gigi. Hope to see you in new videos. Have a nice day. Bye bye.